Hello everyone, welcome back to day 15 of our 30-day SQL series. Mumi Asma, and today we will dive deeper into the select statement and learn about the important operators like your wait, between, in, and not in SQL. Okay, so let's dive into our MySQL workbench. So this is my SQL workbench. We have it here. So I have created a database here that is a student. So now I want to import a database. So I have created a simple database name called employees. So you have to click on the table data import wizard and here it will ask for a path. So I'm selecting a employees.csv. Click on the next again. Okay, so next again, next. Here we go, then the finish. Okay, so once it's get imported you have to refresh it, only then you will be able to see here, see the employees database has been uploaded here. Okay, so imported here. So now let's write on a query here. So if I want to see the entire columns of my database, for that I have to write it down, select star, that is the asterisk we say it. Okay, select asterisk from student. So this is my database name dot employees. Okay, enter. So let us run now. So here we go. So we got a six. So see, this is the basic employee database I have created. Only the six values I have given it. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand the operators. All right. So this is how we, if we want to see the entire database, so we rewrite this query as select star from student dot employees. Okay. Now we will be writing a query for the select distinct here. Okay. So here, so the distinct keywords, it removes the duplicate value. So if we have a duplicate value in the data set, it will be removing that duplicate values. Okay. And it will return only the unique departments. So let's write it. Select distinct, distinct department. So the department is capital D, department from employees. Employees, then the colon. Now let's run it here. So it will remove the duplicates here. Okay, so this will return only the unique departments, that is IT department, HR department, and the finance department. So now let us look at the where operators. So this the where clause, it filters the records based on the conditions. Okay, so let us give it here. SELECT select asterisk from employees. Employees. So this is my database name. Employees. Enter where department equals IT. IT. Okay, let me close it here. Let's run here. Okay, so here, so this will only return all employees who work in IT department. Okay, yeah, here the employees too. The table name is wrong there. Okay. So here we go. So here, as I told you, it will return all the employees who work in the IT department. Okay, if you want to see uh, all the employees who works in the IT department. So this is the query. We will be writing it. Select star from employees where department where. So this is the where operator we are using it here. Where department is equal to IT. Okay. Yeah, now after that, we'll be using a between command. So let us delete this query here and we'll be writing it. So this between operator is used to filter the result within a range. Okay. So for example, so I'll be just working on the salary here. So let's write the query. Select, select name, comma salary, salary from employees, employees where salary between 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 45,000 and 60,000. Now let me give it a column here. Let's run. So here these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 employees we have it whose salary is between 45,000 to 60,000. So here whose salary starts from, we can give it a 50,000 here. Okay. So 50,000, between 50,000 and 60,000. Okay, so here we have only four employees whose salary is 50,000, 60, 50,000, and 55,000. Rahul, Arjun, Amit, and Sneha. Okay, so this is the use of the between operator we have it. So this between operator will return the employees whose salary is between 50,000 to 60,000 here. Okay, so now let's understand not in operator. So not in operator is the opposite of the in. Okay, so for example, select name, select name, department, enter from employees, employees, enter where department not in HR. Okay, so let me close this here. So see here, so this will return the employees who are not from the HR department. Okay, so select name and the department from the employees where department not in HR. Okay, so here these are the Rahul, Arjun, Neha, and Amit. So these are the employees who are not in the HR department. All right. So so today we have learned about the distinct. It removes the duplicates where it filters the rows based on the condition. Between it select a range of values in. Okay. In it's nothing but it matches the multiple values. Okay. Not in it excludes the specified values. Not in it excludes it. So that's all for day 15 of our SQL series. I hope the example with our employees data set made it easier for you to understand the select statement with distinct where between in and not in. Okay. So on day 16, we will explore more advanced SQL concepts. So make sure you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends who are learning SQL, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you stay updated with the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.